Let me tell you something right now. 2025 is shaping up to be one of those years where the people who know how to follow trends are going to make dangerous amounts of money online. And when I say dangerous, I mean the kind that makes your cousin start asking, so what exactly do you do again for a living? And before anybody comes in here talking about Cheryl, I don't have time to learn new skills. Let me stop you right now. Because the trends I'm about to tell you about, they are not complicated. They are not tech heavy and they're not overwhelming. These are things anybody can start doing today, including my ladies who are 40, 50, 60 and up. Yes, you. And the best part, you don't need YouTube AdSense. You don't need a big audience. You don't need to be dancing on TikTok either. You just need to know where the internet is moving and how to ride that wave instead of letting the wave slap you right in the face. So let's talk about the hottest trends to earn money online in 2025. The ones that big creators are quietly using behind the scenes, while the rest of the world waits for the economy to calm down. Here's a spoiler alert though first. It's not calming down, but your bank account can rise up anyways. Alright, just know that. Next is Google Trends, which is the free crystal ball of the internet. You know how some people act like they've got magical intuition? They don't. They've got Google Trends. This platform literally tells you what millions of people are searching for in real time. You want to know what people are planning to spend money on next month? Google Trends already knows. If travel hacks, anti-skincare, meal prep for beginners, Canva templates, Christmas recipes, YouTube automation, or AI side hustles start trending, baby, somebody's about to make a big bag of money. And that somebody can be you if you pay attention to these trends. What I love about Google Trends is that it cuts the guessing. You don't have to sit there trying to figure out what your next video should be, or what ebook to write, or what digital product to sell. All you have to do is to type in a topic and watch the trend line go up or down like a little financial heartbeat monitor. If it's rising, that's money. If it's flatline, then it's time to move on to the next thing. And if it's dropping straight down, it's time to run. The smartest creators in 2025 aren't guessing. They're following the data. And the data is free. Now, next is Pinterest. This is the internet's hidden cash machine. Yes? We're going to talk about that platform that nobody gives enough credit to, and that's Pinterest. It is not social media. Pinterest is a whole search engine by itself with people who are ready to buy. Why? Because Pinterest users are planners. They're searching with intention. My monetized mind audience here on this channel, especially the women 40 to 60, these are your people. They're on Pinterest every day looking for recipes, home organization ideas, travel guides, gift ideas, planners, templates, and inspirational content. Pinterest Trends literally shows you what's blowing up before the rest of the world even catches on. If you see budget planners, wedding printables, digital journals, meal prep ideas, or capsule wardrobe checklist, if you see those rising, that's your cue to start making money moves right away. You can turn these trends into digital products, affiliate content, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, templates, workshops, anything. Pinterest is the quiet money printer that nobody's talking about loudly because the people making money don't want the competition. So they're not going to say. All right, so then there is Amazon Movers and Shakers, which is pure affiliate gold. Let me put you on to a cheat code that seasoned affiliates use every single day. It's called Amazon Movers and Shakers. Amazon literally tells you what products are surging in popularity right now, not last year, not last month, but this week. When something hits Movers and Shakers, when it hits that list, it means that people are buying it so fast the algorithm can't keep up. And do you know what that means for you? It means you don't have to guess what's selling. You just have to create content around what people are already excited about. and searching for. And baby, the 2025 trends are looking good. Travel essentials are exploding. Home health devices are exploding. Smart kitchen gadgets? Don't even get me started on that one. Organization tools, creator gear, AI tools, ring lights, anything to make life easier. All you have to do is to look at what's rising and start creating content for your audience. And tell them this. Tell them that this is trending on Amazon right now, and here's why I love it. People love that. That's a trend in itself. All right, let's move on to Etsy. Etsy's Trends is the digital product headquarters of 2025. If you ever get stuck trying to figure out what digital product to make, do not sit there staring at Canva pretending that inspiration is going to just strike. No, it's not. Inspiration is on Etsy best sellers. Etsy literally shows you what people are buying. Printables, templates, bookmarks, checklists, journals, meal planners, small business templates, invites, logos, thumbnails, you name it. And here's the secret. You don't have to invent anything new. You just have to take what's working and make your own version of it. If you see a small business planner, for example, selling 20,000 copies, that means there's room for yours too. If you see a travel planner trending, make your version with your branding on it. Etsy is not about competition. It's about demand. And in 2025, the demand for digital products is exploding. All right, now to ChatGPT. This is the glue that turns all trends into money. Let me tell you that this is the part that makes everything I just said 10 times easier. ChatGPT. You can pull trends from Google, Pinterest, Amazon, and Etsy, and others. But ChatGPT is the thing that helps you turn those trends into money. You can literally say to ChatGPT, show me 10 digital product ideas trending on Etsy in the meal prep niche. Or turn this trending topic into a YouTube script. Or what affiliate products match these trending Amazon categories. Or create a title, description, and email funnel for a product idea based on this Pinterest trend. This is why the money-making curve is speeding up. AI. AI isn't replacing creators. It's replacing the overwhelm for you to create stuff. And if all of this is exciting you, but also feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, I've got you. This is exactly why I created my Ultimate Creator Income Workshop bundle. If you want a complete A to Z roadmap showing you how to turn online trends into real income without Adsense, this bundle lays out everything step by step. Templates, training, workshops, scripts, guides, all the things I wish I had when I got started. The link for my income bundle and workshop is in the description if you want to grab it before the price goes up. Now, there is a noticeable rise of beginner-friendly AI earnings, and we need to talk about it. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. AI is not removing opportunities. It's multiplying them. That's why we just talked about ChatGPT. AI has taken all the little heavy lifting tasks and made them easier. You don't have to write everything from scratch. You don't have to design every template by hand. You don't have to brainstorm for hours. This is why I keep telling my Monetized Mind creators, you don't need more time. You need better tools. AI is helping beginners make money faster than ever before. That's why this trend is exploding. And before you go, make sure you download your free ebook. Yes, I have something free for you. 7 juicy ways to make money online without the AdSense program. If you want quick wins, beginner-friendly methods, and practical strategies that work, in 2025, this free ebook is going to get your wheels turning. So you don't want to miss that one. Go grab it. Make sure you're subscribed too, and hit that notification bell because my next video in this series is going to be even juicier. 5 hot companies seeking AI contractors in 2025 for beginners. That's where we get into real opportunities that are hiring contractors right now. People just like you. And this is not a 9-to-5 gig. It is another way to make money online on your terms. You don't want to miss this video. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.